Today's topic is using red coral beads. Red coral beads are fairly common, but they come in all different sorts of shapes, sizes, even different shades of red. So here's a little information on how to use these beautiful red coral beads. One of the most common types of red coral beads are the naturally shaped red coral beads. You'll see these in lots of jewelry, and they're normally drilled at the top so that the bottom part hangs down, and that's what hangs down from the piece of jewelry. These are red coral chip beads, and they call them chip beads because they actually are just little small chips of red coral that have been tumbled and polished and drilled in the center, and they're usually drilled so that the thin edges stick out. And as you can see at this necklace, they're used with hishi a lot, which are little thin disc-like beads. When you're using red coral chip beads, it's common to make multi-strand necklaces because, as you can see, if you have just a single strand, it doesn't look like a whole lot. But when you get a whole bunch of these red coral beads together, it adds a lot of texture and color and really makes a really nice necklace when you use red coral chip beads in a multi-strand necklace. One other real common type of red coral bead are these large, chunky shaped beads that are formed out of natural coral. They're kind of the leftovers, but they tumble them up and they make great focal points in necklaces. You can make an entire necklace out of these, but one better way is to use them just to create a center focal point, just like has been done in this necklace. When you've decided to work with these natural coral beads instead of maybe the chunky style or the chip style, you need to have some sort of balance. So it's best to work in odd numbers. See here, we've got 5 of the natural style pieces. Choose one that's going to be a center focal piece, and in this case we've paired it with some turquoise, which is also a real common pairing with red coral. It works very well. Then choose coral that's going to work well together on either side. You can see these two are kind of the same size and shape. These two are kind of the same size and shape. So what you want to do to get some balance is maybe put these two together like this, and then these two on the outside like this, so that in the end, when you actually string this all together, you have a nice balanced necklace. And that's how to use red coral beads.